Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Stripe Atlas for Incorporation strategy, full guide step by step clearly. To register with Stripe Atlas for your incorporation strategy, start by visiting the Stripe Atlas website. Click on the Get Started button to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to create a Stripe account if you do not already have one. Fill in your email address and create a secure password. After registering, verify your email by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Once your account is verified, log in to your Stripe dashboard. Review the Stripe Atlas guide to understand the benefits and requirements of the service. Select the Create Your Company option within the dashboard. You will need to provide some essential information about your business idea. Fill in your desired business name and confirm its availability. Next, choose the type of business entity you wish to form. Select between a limited liability company, LLC, or a corporation based on your needs. Complete the questionnaire regarding your business activities and structure. Provide details about your personal information, including your address and citizenship. Prepare to upload identification documents for identity verification. After entering all required information, review your application for accuracy. Submit your registration application through the Stripe Atlas platform. You will receive an email confirmation once Stripe has processed your application. This process typically takes a few business days to complete. Once approved, Stripe will send you the necessary documents for your incorporated business. These documents will include your business formation certificate and an employer identification number, EIN. Follow the instructions provided to finalize your incorporation. Once your company is officially registered, lastly, familiarize yourself with any ongoing compliance requirements for your newly formed business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.